TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, right now TL Travel is exploring the city of Edmonton, which is where we are from. We are doing some staycation content for you guys before we leave for Bali and Thailand. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it, because we're posting travel content from Canada and all over the world. And if you are wondering where we are right now, well, I'm gonna tell you. So if you missed our last few staycation videos, we were staying at Matera Hotel on White Avenue in Edmonton, exploring the White Ave and Old Strathcona area for the beginning of our staycation series. And for part 2 of our staycation series, how many times can I say staycation series? Right. But for part 2 of our staycation series, we are staying at Matrix Hotel just off of Jasper Ave in Edmonton and exploring the downtown area. So huge thanks to Matrix for hosting us for this stay. And if you are interested in checking out our suite as well as the hotel where we are staying, stick around, because that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So for our staycation, we are staying in one of Matrix's platinum suites. When you walk in the front door to the left here, you will find our bathroom with both a shower and a bathtub, which is always nice. And then walking further out into the suite to the right, there is not only this nice spacious living area, but there's also a small kitchenette, which will not only be great for in-room dining, but great for entertaining as well. And then over to the left is the master bedroom, where you will find this lovely and most comfortable king-sized bed with a beautiful view of the Edmonton downtown area. Not only does Matrix offer its guests a ton of little extras like bedside, bottled water, snacks, and wine in the kitchenette, but outside of the room they also host a complimentary wine and appetizers tasting every single day from 5:30 to 6:30, so I'm thinking that's where we're going to head now. What do you think, babe? You want to go taste some wine?
Vámonos!
Listo! As I mentioned earlier, our suite has its own little kitchenette here, which is great for in-room dining. So after our classy wine and appetizers late afternoon, we decided that we would go over to Let's Grill Sushi, because tomorrow not only are we going to be doing some work around the hotel, but we are also going to be exploring. So it's going to be a big, busy, and fabulous day. Yeah. So that is going to be it for us for today and the first installment of our Matrix staycation series. But if you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it, because we have a ton more content coming from the downtown Jasper Ave area, as well as from Bali, Thailand, and beyond. So until next time, stay great, travel safe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.